Hi there! If your cucumbers are not growing, they definitely need help. To speed up growth, set cucumbers and ripen them quickly. There are many reasons why cucumbers may not grow, but the main ones are a lack of nutrients or the inability to absorb them. And the reason for this is the low night temperature. Cucumbers need at least 15 degrees Celsius at night and more than 25 degrees Celsius during the day. And now we have only 10 degrees Celsius at night. So cucumbers do not assimilate the main elements, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, and accordingly do not grow. But now I will tell you a recipe for an amazing treatment, after which your cucumbers will quickly start growing and produce a large harvest. To do this, you need add 1 tablespoon of nitrogen fertilizer, urea, to 10 liters of water. This is a very important fertilizer that contains a lot of nitrogen. It can be used for foliar feeding, in spraying on the leaves. It stimulates the growth of the vegetative mass and improves the overall condition of the plant. Add 2 teaspoons of magnesium sulfate. It contains magnesium and sulfur. Magnesium is necessary for normal photosynthesis as it is a part of chlorophyll, and sulfur is involved in many metabolic processes and improves the absorption of nitrogen and other nutrients. Add 1/2 teaspoon of citric acid. It is needed to equalize the pH to about 6.5. It also improves plant growth and nutrient absorption. Mix everything well until it is completely dissolved. Pour it into the sprayer in a minute and go to process the cucumbers. It is best to spray either early in the morning or in the evening so that the moisture does not evaporate quickly under the influence of the sun, but has time to be well absorbed by the plant. Due to the fact that the treatment is carried out on the leaf, the solution quickly enters the plant and begins to act. Even if the nights remain cool, the plant will begin to grow rapidly, gain green mass, the leaves will increase, and full fruiting will begin. If you are unable to spray, you can use a solution for regular root feeding, but the effect will be slower because the root system is not working at full capacity due to the cold nights. Be sure to do this spraying, give the plant strength, and they will definitely thank you with a great harvest. If the information was useful to you, please like, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new episodes. I wish you a good day and see you in the next video.